In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use buttons in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to add a button to your page and have it automatically insert a link to a page you choose, which is perfect for quick navigation or building simple workflows. Start on any Notion page and place your cursor on a new line. Press the slash key on your keyboard. That's the / to open Notion's command menu, then type button. From the results, select the button block. This adds a new button to your page and opens its setup panel so you can decide what it should do. Give your button a clear, descriptive name. A helpful label makes a big difference later. For example, if the button will link to a meeting notes page, name it something like add link to meeting notes so anyone using the page knows exactly what will happen. Next, make the button perform an action. In the setup panel, click New Action. From the list of available actions, choose Insert Blocks. This tells Notion that whenever the button is pressed, it should insert content directly on the page where the button lives. Insert Blocks is great for adding templated text, linked mentions, or lightweight components without leaving your current page. Inside the block editor that appears, type Link to bring up link-related options. Select Link to Page. This option creates a key reference to another Notion page, which is much more flexible than pasting a static URL. It keeps the connection within your workspace and updates if the linked page title changes. Now choose the page you want to link to. You can scroll the list or type to search for the exact page name. Pick the one you need and you'll see it appear as the block that will be inserted when the button runs. If there are pages with similar names, scan the icons or locations to make sure you've got the right one. To finish, click Done in the setup panel. Your button is now ready. When someone presses it, Notion will insert a link to the selected page right below the button. Each press adds another linked mention, which can be useful for creating quick reference lists or logging repeated items. If the link to page option doesn't appear, make sure your cursor is inside the Insert Blocks editor and that you use the / command. Also, confirm you have access to the page you're trying to link. That's it. Your Notion button is set up and ready to streamline your workflow.